Hi everybody! For today's eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cosmetics Sage the Day eyeshadow palette. I saw this at Target and I knew I had to buy it. You guys know how much I love green eyeshadow. This is such a beautiful palette. It is very similar to the Child palette by Colourpop, but it's not an exact dupe, so of course I had to have it. I love it. So starting off with the shade Sips Tea, putting that in the crease. This is going to be my transition color. This is going to be a very simple, almost like a siren-y eyeshadow, but not really at the same time. Very simple. So then I took the shade Intuition and I just deepened up the crease a little bit. This is a really nice, like, light beigey brown. And I do want to mention I am outside, if you guys couldn't tell. It is very noisy. We got the dogs barking, we have some cats going, motorcycles. It's also very windy, like it's chilly here in Miami. I'm like shocked. Anyway, then I'm going into the shade Lit Vibes, and it's a shimmery light color. It's really pretty actually. And I put that shade all over my lid. I didn't wet my brush or anything because I didn't want it too metallic. I just wanted like a light wash of color. And then here is the main event, the eyeliner. This is the Physicians Formula eyeliner in black. And I just did a little wing, nothing crazy. It doesn't have to be perfect because we clean it up later. Here I'm taking the shade Tree of Life. The motorcycles are still out. And I am smudging that eyeliner. And it's best to do this when the eyeliner is still wet because you still get a smudge vibe, but also the shadow sticks to the eyeliner and you get like a really pretty like olivey green like eyeliner. It's really, really pretty. So I'm just smudging the eyeliner here, and then of course, like I mentioned earlier, cleaning up your eyeliner. That is the key to beautiful eyeliner, I swear. All you have to do is clean it up and look at that. It's like perfection. And then I'm doing the same steps to the other eye, doing my little liner, smudging that out with a shimmery green. And really, you can do the same technique with like purple, with blue, with gray, whatever you want. And it's so easy. It's like the simplest look, but you know, it looks like it was a lot of work, even, you know, when it's not. It's super easy. So cleaning up that edge, and then I'm also going to conceal my under eyes, the discoloration underneath, and just blend that out. And then I'm going to set that with one of my favorite powders, the DERMA Blend Loose Setting Powder. And then I decided, let me spice it up. I took the shade Retreat Me, which is a light shimmery green, put it in the inner corner. And I know this is such like a subtle thing to do, but I feel like it really brought the whole look together. I love it. I'm glad I did that step. Took the shade Tree of Life, that olivey green, lined the outer half of my lower lash line, and I took a black eyeliner for my waterline. This is by Wet n Wild. It's part of their Lilo and Stitch collection. I love that eyeliner so much. Put on some false lashes, and then this is the final look. It's a really nice, like, sultry, nighttime look, and it's so easy and simple. You know what I mean? It's not a smoky eye, but it's got a little smoky aspect to it. So I love this look. I'm definitely going to be recreating this. Like just going out in, you know, real life. I love it that much. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!